Hey guys, back for another video. Today I'm going to show you how to do sidechain reverb processing to get really cool vocal sounds. So I'm going to show you guys my reverb chain and how to do what's called sidechain reverb processing. In Ableton, luckily they set up a auxiliary channel for you when you open a new session, so that's cool. And I'll show you my reverb chain here. So here's just the regular reverb.
Just fly with me. We'll dance through the world to see.
Sounds like you're in a hallway, but here is saturator.
Just fly with me.
Saturator is making it carry more. It's giving it more reverb, basically. But here's the part that I love, especially for vocal. If you want heavy reverb, add a compressor to your reverb channel. And then here's where the magic comes in. You have this little arrow. Push the arrow. That's going to give you a sidechain option, basically. And what that means is it's going to get signal from another source to affect your reverb or whatever you put it on, really. But in this case, it's a reverb. So turn sidechain on, and we're going to go to our main vocal. So we want to input from vocal main. So what that means is every time we hear a voice, you can see it coming in here on our green level, and the more we push this down, the more the vocal can shine, but the reverb ducks down. So it's basically ducking your reverb down. The more we push it down, the more dry voice signal we get, but the less reverb we get until the voice goes away, if that makes sense. So watch. I'll put it all the way down so you can really hear it.
Just fly with me. We'll dance through the world to see.
So here's without the compression.
Just fly with me.
So yeah, it sounds like we're in a cave or hallway.
Just fly with me.
And as we push it down, it's still giving us a lot of reverb, but more dry signal.
Just fly with me. We'll dance through the world to see.
EQ, just to shape the sound a little more.
Just fly with me. We'll dance through the world to see. You know it's just you and me through all of this quarantine.
So that's pretty much it, and you can go crazy with it, get creative, put your own chain in there. But those are super useful things that I like to use on most of my mixes, especially with heavy reverb. So, all right, guys, that's it. Tune in next week.
Won't you just fly with me? We'll dance through the world to see.